This 5-minute solution will show you how to disable parental controls on Windows 10. Right click on your taskbar and open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opened, here select Services and here scroll down, and here you will get this WPC MON CVC Parental Controls. Now right click on it and click on Open Services. Once you are in Services window, press P on your keyboard and here you will get Parental Controls. Now right click on Parental Controls and click on Properties and Startup Type. Click on this drop down and select Disabled. Click on Apply. Click on OK. And this is how we can disable parental controls on Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.